Hybrid bikes become increasingly popular among casual riders and city commuters, offering the perfect blend of speed, comfort, and versatility. For those seeking budget-friendly options under $300, the right hybrid bike balances durability, smooth handling.
List 9. The Viribus hybrid bike is a versatile option for men seeking a reliable road and urban commuter bike under $300. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability while maintaining easy maneuverability. The 700C wheels provide smooth rides on both city streets and light trails. Featuring a 7-speed Shimano gear system, the bike allows riders to adjust resistance efficiently on flat roads and gentle inclines. Comfort is enhanced with ergonomic handlebars and a well-padded saddle, making long rides enjoyable. Assembly is straightforward, and the bike's disc-style brakes offer responsive stopping power. Overall, the Viribus combines a sleek design with practical features, making it ideal for beginners or daily commuters looking for affordability without compromising performance.
List number. The HH Highland 700C Road Hybrid Bike stands out with its 21-speed Shimano drivetrain, giving riders excellent control across varying terrains. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures agility, while the 700C wheels provide smooth rolling and stability. The urban commuter-focused design includes front and rear disc brakes, ensuring dependable stopping power in city traffic. The ergonomic handlebars and comfortable saddle enhance long ride comfort. This bike is ideal for daily commuting or weekend rides, offering a balance between speed, control, and ease of use. With assembly requiring minimal effort, the HH Highland hybrid bike delivers impressive value for budget-conscious riders seeking a versatile and durable hybrid bike. List number. Designed specifically for women, the Avasta Steered Vela offers a convenient step-through frame for easy mounting and dismounting. Its lightweight 26-inch frame makes city commuting and light trail rides effortless. The bike comes with multiple gears to handle various inclines smoothly, paired with responsive braking for safety. Its padded saddle and upright riding posture maximize comfort for longer journeys. Durable materials ensure longevity, while the modern aesthetic appeals to style-conscious riders. Perfect for daily commuting, leisure rides, or weekend adventures, the Avasta Steered Vela hybrid bike provides an excellent combination of comfort, style, and affordability under $300. List number. The 630 Around the Block Men's Beach Cruiser is a classic-style hybrid bike with a lightweight steel frame built for relaxed rides. Its cruiser-style design focuses on comfort with wide, padded seating and swept-back handlebars for an upright riding position. While it has fewer gears compared to traditional hybrids, its simplicity suits city streets and flat terrain perfectly. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while stylish color options add visual appeal. This bike is ideal for casual riders looking for an affordable hybrid option that prioritizes comfort, ease of use, and relaxed weekend rides along urban streets or waterfront paths. List 9. Similar to its men's counterpart, the 630 Around the Block Women's Bike combines comfort and style in an affordable package. The step-through frame design allows for effortless mounting and dismounting. Wide, cushioned seating and ergonomic handlebars provide a relaxed, upright riding position, making longer rides enjoyable. With fewer gears, this bike is best suited for flat city streets or leisurely rides on paved paths. The sturdy steel frame ensures durability, while the stylish design appeals to female riders who prioritize comfort, reliability, and an easygoing riding experience. A perfect budget-friendly hybrid option under $300.